Things start to get a little tricky with this exercise, and there's multiple things going on. Of course, one of the hardest parts of this particular part is the fourth finger extension. This is where you have to really be careful with the fourth finger, move out your elbow inward to help you reach further, and try to do exercises that will go from D to E to F natural, and then to F sharp, then back to F natural, and back to E, like so. It's best to practice this with just separate bows at first and slowly, and of course speed it up as you go, and start getting better at this. It will help you with stretches in number 12, 13, 14, 15. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.